I know you have been going through a whole lot of stress. You want to be a successful person. You want to be called one of the millionaires, billionaires, thumb through the cars, build your dream house, but you don't know where to start. Don't worry, today I got you. If you're going to listen to these 5 tips that I'm about to share with you, the next year, the next 5 years, you're going to live the desired life that you want. So make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to give you 5 tips that you can follow. Even if you don't have anything in your bank account, you're going to start with $0 and we'll build wealth step by step. So make sure you watch to the end, because everything is important. Without wasting much of your time, just do me a little favor, click on the like button, subscribe to join the community for free. One thing you're gonna put in mind, you can create the desired life that you want, and money is a game, so you can learn the rules and join the game. Pretty simple. I just released this video, change your mom or dad if you want to be a successful person. Why? Because if your mom or dad knows nothing about money, they cannot show you the way to make money. Don't worry, link is in the description box so you can watch that after watching this. The goal of this video is to show you how to build wealth this year, even if you have $0 in your bank account. If you want to be a successful person starting from this year, the first thing I'm going to tell you is to invest into yourself. I want you to learn a skill. You see, if you want to be a successful person, I want you to learn a skill. Invest into yourself. Take some couple months, take some couple years and learn a skill. Something like web design, graphic design, video editing, marketing, coding. You can go out and learn from somebody. You can also learn from website, YouTube, any source that you can utilize to learn that skill, master that skill, know everything about that skill. Then we're gonna use that to make money, because a skill is better than certificate. A skill is an asset. It's gonna put some money into your pocket when utilized well. So if you want to be a successful person, the first step that I'm gonna tell you is to invest into yourself. Spend that little money that you have into yourself, invest that, and come out with a special skill that's gonna pay you. So take your time and learn that skill, master everything, and we're gonna use that to build wealth. The thing is, the money that we want, the $100, the $10,000, any amount that you want is in somebody's pocket. Before you can get that, you have to solve that person's problem. So spend some time and invest into that skills, master everything. We're gonna use that to solve people's problem, and by doing this, we will start earning money. We will start taking those money that we want from them. So the first thing is to invest into yourself. Make sure you come out with a special skill, a skill that's gonna make us more profit, a skill that we're gonna utilize, create value, and the value here is what? Money. So let's move on to the next step. So after learning the skill, the next step we're gonna do is to start your own business, be an entrepreneur. You see, successful people are entrepreneurs. They combine their resources, their time, their capitals, and create a new job. By doing this, they will start providing services to people, and people will pay for their service. So learn a skill and open your own business. If you're a video editor, if you're a graphic designer, if you're a web developer, social media marketer, start marketing yourself, start your own business. I want you to take the risk, use that small capital that you have to open that small business, and start promoting yourself. Make sure people knows you, brand yourself, and make sure you put in the hard work. Do what is expected from you to promote that business, and we will start making money. So guys, the next step we're gonna consider after starting our own business, being an entrepreneur, is to turn our money into slaves. Turning our money into slaves, meaning we're gonna make our money work for us whilst we are asleep. One of the richest people, Warren Buffett, said, if you don't learn to make your money work for you whilst you are asleep, then you're gonna work your entire life for money. So guys, we're gonna turn our monies into slaves. So when you start that business, the little money that you'll be earning, I want you to take some and turn them into slaves. Put them into the right places where they will be working for you, so that you'll be earning whilst you are asleep. We don't eat the parents' money, but rather we eat the baby money. So make sure you take the parents' money that you'll be earning and turn them into slaves. After that, you start eating the baby money that you'll be earning. By doing this, you know what? Your skill will still be paying you, and the little money that you invested will also be working for you as slaves. So we have achieved 2 things here. Guys, the next thing you're gonna do after turning your money into slaves is to level up your business. When you see that the business is going on well, I want you to level up your business. Level up in terms of delivery, level up in terms of packaging, level up in terms of marketing, level up in terms of branding. Employ more people so that you produce more goods in a particular day, because when you have more people, the workflow will be fast. So put in the money, put in the hard work to level up your business, take your business to the next level. Whatever it takes to run that business, put in the cash, put in the energy. Make sure you level up everything. By doing this, you expand your business to the next level. The more you grow, the more you earn, and the more you learn, the more you earn. So make sure you do that, and you will start earning more. Let's move on to the last step that you can do to start building wealth even if you have $0. Before we move on to the last step, I want you to do me a simple favor. Click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote this video to anyone who is searching for such an idea. Number 2, subscribe to join the community for free. Over here, I take you through financial freedom, building wealth together step by step, real proof, no scamming, personal experience. The goal is to build 3 things: 1, financial freedom; 2, time freedom; and 3, location freedom. So now let's move on to the last step that you can do if you want to be financial freedom, starting with even $0. Alright guys, so the last step you're gonna do if you want to be financial independent, if you want to build wealth with $0, is to diversify your portfolio. After creating that job, when you see that everything is going on well, leveling up your business, I want you to create multiple sources of income. If there is the need to create another job in a different place, if there is the need to create the same job in a different place, employ people, create different sources of income, diversify your money, put some into cryptocurrency, real estate, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, anything that you can do to diversify your money. Do that, and by the end of the year, by the end of the next 5 years, next 10 years, you will be financial freedom. If you found this video to be helpful, click on the like button, subscribe to join the community for free, but make sure you go and watch that video why you have to change your mom or dad if you want to be financial freedom. And also, if you want to invest your money into the US stock market, I have a video there. The link will be in the description box. Go and watch that video so that you can start investing your money into the US stock market. Everything is pretty simple. The name is Peasy. You can call me the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.